Alright guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to send text messages. So what we're going to do is you guys, you're going to go to Twilio and just follow these steps. It's really pretty simple. I don't think you guys will have too many issues with it. It's the 4th video I've done because every time I do it, I realize I accidentally show my email or accidentally show my password or accidentally show this or that, and so I'm just not going to create my account on video and upload it. I will tell you how to do it. So basically, you go to Twilio, and in the so when you go to Twilio, you're going to look up here. You're going to click sign up. You're going to type in this information. And what it will then do is it will send an email to whatever email you put here. Then you have to click the link to verify the email. Once you do that, it will open up. It will then ask you to verify a phone number. And that's that phone number that you type in where it asks you to verify, that's your cell phone number. So you can't put someone else's number to then spam them. This is for your computer to text your phone under certain conditions. Once you type in your email or type in your phone number, they will give you, they'll send you a verification code, which no longer works, so don't worry about it. And then once you do that, it will ask you, what do you want to do with code? It'll say, are you a coder? What do you want to do? And you want to send and receive text messages and something else. But basically, it'll come to this. The only difference is right here, your trial number. You'll have to click get a trial number. It'll then produce a number, and you need this information. You'll need this information, account SID, and your authentication token. I'm obviously not going to show you my authentication token. And I've also created a file that contains my cell number, this trial number, the account SID, and the authentication token, so that you guys will never see that in plain text, right? It won't show up on screen. So I'll only have variables. You guys will have to produce them, put them in yourself. So let's just jump to the code. So it's actually fairly easy. From Twilio, now I'm also going to go from info import. You guys don't have to do this, right? You guys will just type in as it has up here. The reason I'm not doing that, obviously, is because I don't want my authentication token or my phone number to be on the internet. So I'm going to do account SID, auth token, my Twilio number, my cell phone. So now you do Twilio for client, Twilio equals client account SID auth. So what this does is this basically logs you in. Then we're going to go my Twilio number. Oh wait, I don't have to do that. So now you do message equals Twilio messages.create body. This is a test of Twilio on camera, comma, from. Now notice we have to do the underscore because otherwise from is a keyword. sent from your Twilio account. Twilio trial. So now you can, there's a bunch of stuff you can do. You can see who it was sent to. Well, that's gonna have to be blurred. So you can see all this other stuff. So you can see if it was sent or not, the SID, status. So you can just get a bunch of different you can get a bunch of different information. I had to pick two, didn't I? I couldn't have picked from. So hopefully this is cool. And then what I want you guys to do is to, when your assignment will be to create a task that when someone logs into the computer, it texts you. So you'll know that if someone logs in to my computer, now real quick, it's not unlocking, it's logging in. So if you want to test it, you'll have to totally log out and log back in. You can't just lock it and unlock it. So I'm gonna make something almost similar, almost the exact same thing as this. Actually, just do this project. Just text me module. We'll use this later. But yeah, have a good one. How long is this video? Oh, only 6 minutes? Okay, cool. Well then I will, you'll for sure do this, and then you'll take this, because what this assignment does is it creates a, so instead of having, oh, I deleted it. So instead of having to type everything we did like this all the time, you type it once, and then all you do is you import text myself, and then you run, and then eventually you'll only need these 2 lines of code in order to text yourself something, as opposed to doing all of this. So yeah, I'll create that assignment and you guys will have some time to do that. Good luck.